Hello everyone, I am back again, and not with my bike, but with a bike that you guys may have recognized from photos and videos in the past. Ducati Monster 821 with this stunning matte black livery. Today we're doing something fun that I feel like every single motorcycle needs to have happen. The tail tidy kit. We have the new Rage tail tidy kit, and we're gonna be putting it on Ian's bike. Usually Ian's in the corner drinking whiskey, giving demands, but today we're forcing him to get his hands dirty.
Oh man, this sucks.
He's giving up within seconds.
No, it's easy. I'll be alright.
No, it's easy. It's super easy.
Oh yeah, it's easy.
Yeah, you got this.
Step 1. Use your key to remove the seat from the Monster 821. After removing the seat and getting the toolkit out of the way, you'll need to unscrew the 4 bolts under the stock fender. Next step, unplug the 3 OEM wiring connectors. Then you're going to remove the 4 stock bolts that secure the fender to the subframe. Now, we're going to assemble the new Rage Cycles kit by running the provided bolts through the 2 main metal components. Finally, we're going to connect the wiring and bolt the new components back to the subframe.
Yeah. Right, left, hit your brake.
Doesn't need a brake.
There's no brake light. It's just a regular brake light. Just signals.
Oh.
Got it. You got it.
From there, we're going to insert the toolkit back into the subframe and then install the seat back onto the bike. And with that, we're done.